Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into everything cars. Today, we are tackling a crucial issue that many car owners face, the dreaded Service StabiliTrak warning message. What does it mean? Why does it come on? And most importantly, what should you do about it? Stay tuned to find out. The Service StabiliTrak warning message indicates that there is a problem with the vehicle's StabiliTrak system. StabiliTrak system is designed to enhance vehicle stability and control, particularly in challenging driving conditions such as slippery roads or sudden maneuvers. When the Service StabiliTrak light comes on, it means that the system has detected an issue that could prevent it from functioning properly. Causes of Service StabiliTrak warning light. 1. Faulty wheel speed sensor. Wheel speed sensors monitor the speed of each wheel and send this data to the vehicle's control modules. If a sensor is faulty or dirty, it may send incorrect speed information. This wrong information may cause the StabiliTrak system to misinterpret the vehicle's stability and trigger the warning light. 2. Steering angle sensor issues. The steering angle sensor measures the position and rate of turn of the steering wheel. This information is crucial for the StabiliTrak system to determine the intended direction of the vehicle. A malfunctioning sensor can result in inaccurate data, leading the system to detect a problem and illuminate the warning light. 3. Brake system issues. The brake system is integral to the StabiliTrak system's ability to maintain vehicle stability. Issues such as worn brake pads, low brake fluid, or problems with the ABS can impair the system's ability to control wheel slip and vehicle stability, triggering the warning light. 4. Yaw rate sensor faults. The yaw rate sensor detects the vehicle's rotational motion around its vertical axis. This information helps the StabiliTrak system understand the vehicle's movement. A faulty yaw rate sensor can send incorrect signals, causing the system to think the vehicle is unstable and turning on the warning light. 5. Electronic control unit malfunction. The engine control unit processes data from various sensors to control the StabiliTrak system. If the ECU malfunctions, it can misinterpret or fail to process sensor data correctly, leading to erroneous signals in the activation of the warning light. 6. Electrical problems. The StabiliTrak system relies on electrical signals from various sensors and components. Damaged or loose wiring and connectors can disrupt these signals, causing the system to malfunction and trigger the warning light. 7. Software issues. The vehicle's control modules run on software that processes sensor data and manages the StabiliTrak system. Software glitches or outdated firmware can lead to incorrect processing of data, resulting in the system detecting a problem and illuminating the warning light. 8. Tire pressure issues. Incorrect tire pressure affects the vehicle's handling and stability. The StabiliTrak system relies on consistent tire performance to maintain stability. Significant variations in tire pressure can cause the system to detect instability and activate the warning light. 9. Engine misfire. Modern vehicle stability control systems, including StabiliTrak, are closely integrated with other vehicle systems, such as the engine and drivetrain. An engine misfire disrupts the smooth operation of the engine, causing irregular power delivery. This can lead to sudden changes in speed or torque, which the StabiliTrak system detects as a potential stability issue. 10. Issues with the ABS system. Since StabiliTrak and ABS work closely together, a problem in the ABS can cause the StabiliTrak light to come on. This could be due to a malfunctioning ABS module or low brake fluid. When the Service StabiliTrak warning light comes on, it's important to have the vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic who can diagnose and address the specific issue causing the warning message. Ignoring the Service StabiliTrak warning light can lead to reduced vehicle stability and increased risk of losing control, particularly in emergency situations or poor driving conditions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Have any questions or personal experiences with the StabiliTrak warning light? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe.